Replacing the cabin filter in a third-generation CRV. The filter is located in the glove compartment. To replace it, open the glove compartment. On the right side, there's a stop. This clip, removing it is quite simple. It should move this way. There's a special place here. Press it with your finger. It clicks open at the bottom. Further, along the edges of the glove compartment, there are two more small clips. Use your fingers to push the very top of them until they stop. We need to press these side panels inward slightly, so that the stops release. Press them down and lower the glove compartment. Anything more is fine. The filter is held in place by two latches on the sides, one on the other, as shown by the arrows. Press them inward and pull the filter slightly. Dot. Next, remove the filter itself from the housing. Take a new filter. I used this model, if anyone's interested. More information is in the description. Install it in reverse order. Put the filter back in place. Like it and subscribe.